Hello, students. Today, I have taken the topic of CUT. I mean, I'll discuss about the basics idea about CUT. So, what is CUT? What is the roadmap? What could be the structure? And what should be the strategy? Along with what will be the scope? I'll discuss in these videos. So, let us understand about what is the some technicalities to crack CUT. So here in this video, I'm going to talk about a complete roadmap for success and what should be the important point you should know. तो आपको जानना चाहिए कि CUT का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, हाउ डज CUT वर्क एंड व्हाट शुड बी द स्ट्रेटजी. अगर आप पहले स्ट्रक्चर से अवेयर हो गए तो आपको ये जानना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ CUT and what is the scope or what is the purpose of CUT or why you are planning to prepare CUT. So इस वीडियोस में हम लोग धीरे धीरे बात करेंगे स्ट्रक्चर, स्ट्रैटेजी और स्कोप के बारे में. तो जैसे मैंने बताया था कि CUT जो है इसका मैं पहले फुल फॉर्म बताता हूं. CUT मीन्स कॉमन यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट. आज से 3-4 साल पहले की बात है. लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आफ्टर 10+2 they used to in fact they had to prepare multiple entrance examination. जैसे लोग इंजीनियरिंग की तैयारी करते थे IIT के लिए, फिर इसके अलावा मेडिकल की तैयारी करते थे. तो CUT के बिहाफ पे यानी CUT मीन्स कॉमन यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट की बदौलत क्या हुआ, इट हैज बिकम अ नेशनल टेस्ट. और नेशनल लेवल टेस्ट होने की वजह से आप कह सकते हो कि ये एक कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म हो गया आफ्टर 10+2. आफ्टर 10+2 ये एग्जाम एक कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म हो गया बच्चों को वेरियस कोर्सेज में, अलग अलग कोर्सेज में एडमिशन लेने के लिए. जैसे जो बच्चे कॉमर्स करना चाहते हैं, लाइक बीकॉम करना चाहते हैं, कुछ बच्चे BA इन इंग्लिश करना चाहते हैं, BA इन जियोग्राफी करना चाहते हैं, आई मीन BA इन आर्ट्स करना चाहते हैं, BA इन साइंस करना चाहते आप या बैचलर इन साइंस करना चाहते हैं. तो आपके लिए एक कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार हो गया जो यूनिवर्सिटी ने आपके लिए प्लान करके रखा आपके सामने. और CUT का जो कंडक्टेड बॉडी है और जो एग्जाम कंडक्ट कराया जाता है दैट इज फ्रॉम नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी और NTA. तो NTA is the actual body who conducts the exam of CUT. और ये लॉन्च किया गया किस पर्पस के लिए, टू मेक समथिंग सेंट्रलाइज. सो द CUT एग्जाम वाज लॉन्च्ड फॉर सेंट्रलाइज एडमिशंस अक्रॉस यूनिवर्सिटीज. यानी आप किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, वेदर इट इज गवर्नमेंट, वेदर इट इज स्टेट और वेदर इट इज प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज. CUT ने क्या किया कि पूरे अक्रॉस यूनिवर्सिटीज में इस एग्जाम को मैंडेटरी कर दिया. जो भी बच्चे आफ्टर 10+2 एग्जाम देने कोई भी फर्दर कोर्स करना चाहते हैं तो इस एग्जाम के बिहाफ पे आपको किसी भी प्राइवेट कॉलेज या किसी भी गवर्नमेंट या सेंट्रल या फिर स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी में आसानी से आपके डिजायर्ड कोर्स में एडमिशन मिल जाएगा. बात करते हैं कि ये कितने यूनिवर्सिटीज जो है इस CUT एग्जाम को एक्सेप्ट करता है. तो जैसे यहां मेंशन है कि एक्सेप्टेड बाय 250+ सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज, सेम विद स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज. सो मोर देन 250+ यूनिवर्सिटीज ऐसे हैं जो सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी है, स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी है और प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी है जो CUT के स्कोर को क्या करता है, एक्सेप्ट करता है. राइट. तो अब तक के स्लाइड में आपने देखा कि CUT क्या है, CUT के कुछ क्रैक करने के क्या तरीके हो सकते हैं, स्ट्रैटेजी क्या हो सकती है और क्या इसका स्कोप है फ्यूचर में बच्चों के लिए. राइट. मूविंग फर्दर, हिस्ट्री एंड इवोल्यूशन. यानी एक्चुअली में CUT कब लॉन्च किया गया, तो CUT लॉन्च किया गया मेनली इन 2021 फॉर PG. अभी जैसे मैंने बताया था कि 10+2 के लिए, लेकिन एक्चुअल पर्पस ऑफ सीयूईटी वाज टू मेक द एडमिशन प्रोसेस इजी, नॉट इन बैचलर बट इन मास्टर डिग्री। और बाद में इसको एक्सपेंड करके मैं कह सकता हूं सीयूईटी बैचलर डिग्री का जो एक्सपेंशन हुआ था दैट वाज इन 2021, और मास्टर डिग्री सीयूईटी एडमिशन फॉर्मेलिटीज लॉन्च हुई थी 2021 में। अब 2022 के बाद CUT exam has become a very crucial thing for the students who want to go for bachelor or master degree. So nowadays, after 2022, this exam or the importance of this exam has really emerged. So let's talk about what is the purpose and what is the aim of CUT. So the aim of CUT exam is to eliminate board-based inequality or board-based biasness in admissions. यानी इस केस में क्या है कि सीयूटी का पर्पस क्या है? सीयूटी का पर्पस है जो लोकल लेवल पे या स्टेट लेवल पे या बोर्ड लेवल पे जो बायसनेस, जो अनफेवरेबल डिसीजन लिया जाता है बच्चों के लिए, अब सीयूटी क्या कर देगा? वो आसान कर देगा। बच्चे इसको आसानी से, अगर पेपर आसानी से क्रैक कर जाते हैं तो फ्यूचर में, मुस्तकबिल में किसी भी बच्चे को किसी भी तरह की कोई एडमिशन फॉर्मेलिटीज में the students will not get any problem. And what is the vision of CUT exam? The vision of CUT exam is one nation and one entrance. It means there will be one nation and overall there will be only one entrance examination. Let us go further and try to understand more about CUT. So CUT is what? Why CUT is important? So first of all, understand standardized evaluation across all boards. So as I told you earlier, to make admission process easy or to remove biasness decisions, so it is a kind of a standard evaluation exam that supports to filter the data from all type of boards, whether it is CBSE board, state board, ICSE board or IB board. So with the help of CUT exam, there will be no any biasness in further admission, such as in bachelor degree or in master degree. And students will really get an equal opportunity in India. Not only it will give you the equal opportunity for all the students, but it will also provide some benefits, like it will make you free from multiple entrance exams burdens or the pressure the most of the students they keep simultaneously. They prepare for medical, they prepare for commerce, or they prepare some similar two courses, two entrance examination. So CUT exam will support you to reduce such pressure of multiple entrance examination. And there will be absolutely a transparent merit-based selection with the help of CUT exam. So now we have understood what is the CUT, what is the importance of CUT. So I have told you some benefits of CUT exam. So you must prepare. So level of CUT. Now here, in this class, in this video lecture, we will discuss about a complete roadmap for success, such as everything you need to know about what is the structure, what is the strategy of this exam, what will be the scope, and what sort of success we can get after giving CUT exam. So in further video, we will discuss about a structure, strategy, scope, and success. Let's talk about the CUT undergraduate exam structure. So there are two sections. First, 1A and 1B. So in first section, like the language of the exam, or there will be few languages. So there will be around 13 plus languages. I mean the CUT exam will be held in 13 plus languages such as Marathi, such as Urdu, such as Hindi, I can say Bengali, Gujarati, Punjabi. So these languages will be the medium of CUT exam. And in first section, you will get 45 minutes. Here, for first section, there will be 45 minutes each. Each means first section as well as second section. So as I have mentioned that first A and first B. So in second section, there will be around 6 domain subjects. What does it mean about domain subjects? Domain subject means like if you are planning for commerce, accountant kind of course, so this will be a domain subject. What if you are planning for bachelor in arts, I mean bachelor in English or arts, bachelor of arts in English, so the domain subject will be English. Same with the case of science, same with the case of any other type of courses. So there will be 6 domain subjects, and the language test, there will be 13 languages that will also contain 45 minutes for the exam. Domain subjects will be also for 45 minutes. What if I talk about general test? So in CUET exam, there is a general test, and the test contains such as quant plus reasoning. So quant plus reasoning will be as you are going to take the exam after 10 plus 2. So whatever the questions will be there in quant and reasoning, it will be totally based on up to 10 plus 2 level or max of 10th level. So you are not going to prepare anything out of the context. The context you need to prepare, that has been already done by you. Fine. Let's move further. See, total. So can choose up to 10 subjects. As I told you that there will be 6 domain. There will be 6 domain subjects, but you can choose up to 10 subjects. 10 subject means you can choose 10 domain subjects. And the type of exam will be multiple choice questions based. And here, online CBT mode. Online means online you are aware of. What is the meaning of CBT? CBT means computer based test. So the exam will be computer based. There will be a negative marking. So what if you do one correct answer, and at the same time you are making an error, you are doing a wrong answer, it means there will be what? There will be no score for you. Clear? So there will be loss of 1 number. So you need to be very much sharp. Clear? Moving further, let's talk about language section. So language section की बात करूं, जैसे मैंने बताया भी था कि like there can be English, Hindi, Tamil, तेलुगु, बंगाली, गुजराती, उर्दू. ठीक है. अब लैंग्वेज सेक्शन में ये सारे सेक्शंस आपके लैंग्वेज वाले पार्ट के, यानी जो लैंग्वेज है वो सारे लैंग्वेज पार्ट के हैं. नाउ द अनदर टाइप ऑफ questions, or the another type of question, what I can say, the pattern will be there in CUT will be reading comprehension. So in reading comprehension, even you have been doing reading comprehension since your 10th or 10 plus 2 level, but here you will be taught some technicalities, and based on that you will be able to pick what? The right answer of the reading comprehension. So here you need to understand what is the structure of reading comprehension. You must be aware of the structure of a reading comprehension, such as intro, body, and conclusion. As I'm telling that intro, body, and conclusion. So reading comprehension means to get the intended meaning of the author or to get the first message of the author. So your test of English will be tested with multiple things with the help of reading comprehension. There will be multiple type of questions in reading comprehension, such as factual based question, central idea questions, primary purpose questions, or you can be asked about what is the author's tone, whether it is negative tone or whether it is positive tone. So in English language part, there will be vocabulary and grammar. So mainly grammar will be related to, I can say, subject verb agreement, and along with that, I can say tenses, active and passive voice. And even you have been doing such kind of things like vocabulary and grammar for a long. So this will support you to get the right answer. Next is sentence rearrangement or reorder paragraphs. So आपको CUT में there will be English language part that will contain reorder paragraphs and what sort of strategies should be there. So you can read the news editorials and you can practice RCs along with some previous year questions to get the higher score in CUT exam. Right? I hope so students, यहाँ तक हम लोग अच्छा कर पा रहे हैं. Let's move further. Students, तो आगे बात करते हैं about domain subjects. So in domain subjects, actually there are 27 domain subjects which are available, but one has or one can choose max of 6 domain subjects. So, and what are those domain subjects which are quite popular in India? So the first is physics, chemistry. I mean the science, physics, chemistry. In business studies, in commerce, it could be business studies. In arts, it can be economics, political science. So these subjects are quite popular as a domain subject. Talking about like based on NCERT class 12. So though these domain subjects are somewhere connected with the 10+2 level or the NCERT syllabus of class 10+2, and you need to pick those domain subjects from this class 12th subjects. And what should be your strategy? So the strategy should be, you need to practice or you need to prepare chapter wise notes. So one should be able to create note making habit, and the note making habit should be not related to the specific topic or a specific chapter, but it should be chapter wise. And as discussed earlier in the video, that the questions will be multiple choice questions. So what should be your role? Your role should be to pick some previous year questions and try to solve. And while solving the questions, what is your actual step? You need to find out the concept, because solving the questions is not going to support you a lot. It needs like understanding of the concept, as well as you need to solve the questions, so that what if you get some different questions at the time of exam that you haven't practiced. So the basic concept, the ideas that you have picked while doing practice will definitely support you a lot. Let's talk about something more about the preparation and its technicalities of CUT. What should be the requirement for BBA, BCA, journalism, and some integrated courses? So what if you are planning for BBA, BCA, journalism, and some integrated courses? So it will contain a general test. And what sort of topics which are covered in general test? So you need to be very good at quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, current affairs, statistics, and general knowledge. So try to understand what about quantitative aptitude. क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड मैथ का ही एक हिस्सा है जो 10th लेवल के एग्जाम पे 10th लेवल के बेसिस पे कुछ शॉर्टकट्स आपको इसमें काम करेगा, कुछ शॉर्टकट्स पे काम करने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल सीबीएसई लेवल के मैथ की तरह नहीं होता है। हालांकि कॉन्सेप्ट और जड़ें जो होती है वो वहीं से होती है, बेसिक 10th लेवल से ही, बट हियर सम टेक्निकलिटीज एंड शॉर्टकट्स वर्क दैट यू नीड टू बी वेरी गुड एट। व्हाट अबाउट लॉजिकल रीजनिंग? सो लॉजिकल रीजनिंग आप लोगों ने लाइक थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया होगा कि ब्लड रिलेशन वगैरह जहां पे काम करता है। सो इसके अलावा मैं कह सकता हूँ सम कुछ कैलेंडर्स वगैरह में टॉपिक्स लॉजिकल रीजनिंग से कनेक्टेड होते हैं। सो वन शुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, करंट अफेयर्स और जनरल नॉलेज. So one should be very good at in day to day general awareness, what is happening inside of the country, what is happening outside of the country. So you must be very good at such kind of things. So what sort of things that you can focus much? So practice DI sets. DI means data interpretation sets. Along with keep on targeting current affairs from last 6 months. So आपके पास कम से कम 6 महीने का करंट अफेयर्स आपके कंटेंट में होना चाहिए if you are planning for taking the exam of CUET. Because CUET is not only related to one particular domain subject or one subject. One has to give his best in terms of multiple subjects or multiple, I can say the multiple factors that will definitely support you to pass out the exam. Let's talk about subject combination strategy. What should be your role of subject combination? I mean, see, max subject choices to university plus program requirements. So first of all, you need to understand the subject choices to university. What university you are picking for, and based on that, what sort of domain subjects can be picked. What if you are preparing for Delhi University? So Delhi University का particular कोई college आप लेना चाहते हैं. So what sort of courses that particular college has and what sort of program requirements are there. So उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर आप प्लान कर सकते हैं कि अगर दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लेना है, बीए में लेना है, तो आप इंग्लिश के कोर्सेज के लिए कौन से पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी को टारगेट कर सकते हैं. और बीए ऑनर्स करेंगे इंग्लिश में तो क्या क्या लाइक कुछ फंडामेंटल डोमेन सब्जेक्ट से जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स रहती है, यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट. सो यूज CUET समर्थ पोर्टल. एक पोर्टल है CUET से रिलेटेड. जैसे मैंने बोला था कि NTA जो है वो एग्जाम कंडक्ट कराती है, उसी तरह से समर्थ पोर्टल जो है, समर्थ जो है वो एक ऑथेंटिक पोर्टल है फॉर CUET प्रिपरेशन. Avoid choosing too many difficult subjects unnecessarily. So avoid like multiple difficult subjects. It will make you confused and you will not be able to crack the paper. So go with some easy subjects and do your best. Go with the focused preparation. Like what if I talk about example for BA honors? So English plus language, English. So there will be English plus English language test plus general test. And here one domain. So as I told you, English plus English language test and general test. So this is the easy combination of picking the subject combination for CUET exam. Let's talk about some colleges जो आपके CUET के मार्क्स को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. तो मैं बात करता हूं लाइक सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज. सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में पहला यूनिवर्सिटी है आपका दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. ये यूनिवर्सिटी दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी आपका जो है वो क्या करता है, CUET के स्कोर को एक्सेप्ट करता है. सेम विद द केस ऑफ JNU, जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी, BHU, बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी, AMU, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी. ये चारों यूनिवर्सिटी ऐसे हैं जो CUET के एग्जाम को क्या करता है, CUET के स्कोर को एक्सेप्ट करता है. तो आप इन सभी कॉलेजेस यूनिवर्सिटीज को क्या कर सकते हैं, आप रिसर्च कर सकते हैं और आप अपने एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग देन यू कैन प्लान which course you are targeting, and you can connect your course according to availability of the courses in these type of universities. नेक्स्ट मैं बात करता हूं स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटीज की। तो स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटीज में आता है लाइक BBAU, HMBGU, MGCU। ये यूनिवर्सिटीज ऐसे हैं जो CUT के एग्जाम को क्या करते हैं, एक्सेप्ट करते हैं। सेम विद द केस ऑफ प्राइवेट डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज सच एज गलगोटियाज, शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी, अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटीज along with चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटीज। ये सब के सब क्या करते हैं, CUT के स्कोर को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं। सो यू कैन ऑल्सो टारगेट अबाउट लाइक if you are planning to go with CUT or you want to take admission in a specific course, so you can research about Sharda University, you can research about Amity University, Chandigarh University and Golgotia University. Next tip, always check colleges specific eligibility on the CUT website. So before filling the form of CUT or before applying for any course in any specific college, so you must be able to research about the university on CUT website. So keep on researching the detailed idea about CUT. I mean the admission formalities with various universities. They might have some specific requirements and they might have some specific courses. So connect your own requirements with their specific availability and then you can connect with the score of CUT once you are done with the CUT exam. Let's talk about fee structure. फी स्ट्रक्चर क्या हो सकता है? फी स्ट्रक्चर में आप देख सकते हो कि लाइक फीस जो होता है जनरल के लिए, इस कोर्स CUT एग्जाम का जो फी होता है जनरल के लिए, इट इज अराउंड 750 to 1000 रुपीज। ओके, ओबीसी के लिए होता है 700 to 900। ओबीसी और जो EWS माइनॉरिटी में जो आते हैं उनके लिए जो कोर्स फी है, जो एग्जाम फी है, it is around 700 to 900, right? Next, further I'm talking about like SC and ST, ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स के लिए जो CUT एग्जाम का जो फी होगा that will be around 650 to 800. Okay, and centers are there for across India plus international higher fee. So you need to understand about the fees related to across India and international. International fee means if you are from out of India, so the fee will a bit vary. Next, so types of question asked. So as I told you that in CUT exam there will be multiple choice questions. अगर मैं बात कर लूं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की, तो there will be some questions based on vocabulary. So they can ask about one word substitution, they can ask about idioms and phrases, they can ask about like related to synonyms and antonyms. Same with the case of English language, the questions can be picked from reading comprehension, grammar. Okay, so the reading comprehension as well as grammar. In grammar there will be like subject verb agreement, tenses or tense error, passive voice, or there will be some what I can say, the reorder paragraph. So these are the some subtopics of English language part. In domain there will be some factual and conceptual from NCERT book or the syllabus of NCERT that you need to follow. What if I talk about general test? So there will be reasoning, puzzles as I discussed, like the calendar. So arithmetic questions will be there along with the data interpretations. Apart from there will be some questions related to current affairs and general knowledge. So CUT preparation strategy. What should be your strategy? What should be your strategy of preparation of CUT? So do not start preparation of CUT at the end moment. So start preparation of CUT in advance. before 5 to 6 months. Okay. Focus area should be there on your language part or reading comprehension skills part. Along with, you should focus much on the domain NCERTs for domain part. So you should read NCERTs books a lot for the domain. That if you want to crack the domain exam, you should focus much in NCERT. GK means undoubtedly it cannot be avoided. The role of general knowledge cannot be avoided. Along with, you must have accuracy along with the speed. So the test will check out your accuracy as well as speed. Always try to go with a weekly mock test. So you can go with a sectional mock test, you can go with the full length mock test, but at least try to give one sectional mock test daily, or at least one sectional mock test daily. Apart from that, one full length mock test in a week to observe your performance on a regular basis. Time management tips. So start with your strongest section. But here what I'll suggest you, in case of CUET exam preparation, do not focus first for time management, but you can focus much for accuracy. Once accuracy is acquired, you can focus on time management. So in case of time management, you can start with your strongest section. Do not spend more than 1.5 minutes per question. Use the mark for review option wisely. So keep on marking your options and review after completion of the mock test or after practice. Try to find out the keywords that you are making error and what's the reason that you are making reason, and then research over that and then go for the next mock test. Do not get panic while doing such kind of things, because such kind of exam is very important, very crucial, and it needs patience level, because the exam held nationally. So one should be very patient. Next, challenges faced. So what sort of challenges you can face or a learner faces at the time of preparation? So you select many subjects or too many subjects or choice of many subjects that make you confused. So avoid selection of multiple subjects. Pick the stream that you are going to pick in further or in your college life. So it should be very much selective. Okay. So rural students, what sort of problems some people who are from countryside, they face problem in internet or technology. So they do not have multiple resources or enough resources. But बेटा जिंदगी में याद रखिए कि कामयाबी हमें छीननी पड़ती है. नथिंग इज इजी. तो आपके रास्ते में कितनी भी परेशानी आ जाए, यू डू नॉट गिव अप, डू नॉट रिनाउंस योर एम्बिशन. यहां पे एम्बिशन प्रेप में आपका एम्बिशन ये होना चाहिए कि नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू acquire 100% result, or you are going to do 100% whatever you are planning to achieve in your life. So बाउंस बैक होने का, गिव अप होने का कोई भी ऑप्शन आपके पास नहीं होना चाहिए. गिव योर 100% एंड सीक हेल्प अर्ली. यानी अगर आपको लगता है कि यू नीड सम हेल्प, तो आप एम्बिशन प्रेप के तरह हजारों कोचिंग है, आपको लगता है किसी भी मेंटर से आप हेल्प लीजिए. आप चाहे तो एम्बिशन प्रेप से हेल्प लीजिए. वी आर अवेलेबल फॉर योर गाइडेंस. गेट द प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग एंड गेट सम crisp information in a standard or I can say organized manner, so that you can prepare well. Because जब तक हमारा आगाज बेहतर तरीके से ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं होगा, सो वी कैनॉट अचीव अंजाम, तो हम अंजाम तक नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. सो द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ CUET शुड बी वेरी in a very organized manner. Clear? And you should always stick with the official sources. यानी CUET के क्वेश्चंस पेपर जो है वो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से पिक करिए. इधर उधर से पिक करके अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो यू विल बी इन लाइक डिलेमा और यू विल बी इन प्रॉब्लम. लास्ट में बात करूंगा फाइनल स्टेप क्या है CUET को क्रैक करने का. So do not try to prepare everything. Focus on relevance. So unnecessary information की तैयारी करने के बजाय you should focus on relevant stuffs. Fine. Next is accuracy is more important than attempt count. CUT. यानी जैसे टाइम मैनेजमेंट की बात है तो बच्चे टाइम मैनेजमेंट के चक्कर में क्या करते हैं, एक्यूरेसी भूल जाते हैं. तो योर फर्स्ट जॉब इज इनिशियली फोकस ऑन एक्यूरेसी and do not try to attempt those questions where you are not sure about. As I discussed in this video that one positive answer will give you one score, one negative or wrong answer will give you one negative score. That will spoil your score. So go with the time management along with accuracy. Clear? There must be clarity in the concept. Whatever you are doing preparation, there must be a clarity in the concept and along with speed. Keep stress low. I mean, feel free while doing preparation of CUET and take a proper sleep. Go with a proper or a balanced routine and give 100%. Try to devote 6 to 7 hours per day for your better score in CUET. ओके दोस्तों, आज के वीडियो में हम लोग, ये हमारा पहला लेक्चर है CUET का बेसिक. आज के वीडियो में हम लोग यही जानेंगे. फर्दर हम लोग बात करेंगे CUET के डोमेन सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड. लेकिन क्योंकि मैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का टीचर हूँ, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज और इंग्लिश डोमेन का टीचर हूँ, तो जो मेरी फर्दर वीडियोस आने वाली है वो सारी की सारी वीडियोस किसके ऊपर रहेंगी, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के ऊपर रहेंगे. आज के लिए इस वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच.